In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free diamonds on the Bigo Live. So as you can see, I got tons of them. I got literally like 9,999, and it's using a promo code. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's super insane, and it's not like one person watches the video and gets a promo code. Everyone who watches the video gets one. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get straight into the video. This is super cool. If you guys use Bigo Live and you need diamonds, today's your lucky day. I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it, so let's get straight into the video. Guys, so as you can see, I got tons of diamonds, so I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So what you want to do is go to this website, and then once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar, type in Bigo, and as you can see, it says Bigo Live, so press on it, press this button. This will start generating your promo code. Now, obviously, it is going to ask for your email address, so make sure you put that in, because obviously they need to send you the promo code. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, I'm just going to give it a second to go ahead and load up. And then once we're done, it will say like activating reward. And then you should be good to go. So peace out. You can see it says reward activated. Alright, so now we got to fill out all our details. Press continue. Once you fill all that out, and then press no thanks. And then you got to do like a survey and stuff. Press I agree and continue at the end. So anyway, guys, I think we can just go to the App Store and type in Bigo Live, and you guys will see the diamonds are so expensive. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, when we go to the in-app purchases and bro. So if you want to get them for free, be sure to watch my video, because this is super cool and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. It's super awesome. And I'm going to see you later. Like, I've been hunting and stuff for new methods. And this one's so good, guys. Like, peace out. This is so cool. And I'll see you guys later. But yeah, like, subscribe to the channel and stuff so I can make more videos, because this is so cool, guys. Like, oh my gosh, look. Wow. The diamonds have come into my life. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is so cool. It totally works. If this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. Peace out.